Come on. Right. Come here. Come on. You're going to let me grab you. Come on. Because this makes more sense, doesn't it?
How'd you get off the floor?